With all the problems in China at the moment, India's become one of the most loved markets in Asia. The expectation is that this is not going to go away very soon. I met with a head of research from a brokerage, leading brokerage recently, and he said that when he met fund managers in Singapore, 25 of them, usually the meeting starts with, well, China's cheap versus India, but none of that. It was, let's forget China, let's only talk about India and what we should buy. So the love fest is on for India. What could change that? Well, the global factors obviously could be one. China, if they do a stimulus, could be the second, because it could attract flows from India or from emerging markets towards China, as the economy would be expected to pick up gradually. It could be the fact that our monsoons are kind of delayed. El Nino, we've still got to see if that's going to play out in September. So at the margin, this could take the sentiment a little bit away from that love India to still liking India, but finding that the valuations are a little less attractive than they are elsewhere in the world. So what we think will happen over the next few months is that the global factors will have a big impact on India. We think it's going to be a little bit more volatile over September and October, and that could take flows away from India in the very short term. And we've actually seen that to some extent in the last few weeks as well, in terms of foreign investor flows. So net, we're still constructive in India, but we think that there's some global events and our own kind of issues with inflation, which will kind of take the sentiment a little less bullish to more neutral, and we could see the index kind of moving towards lower levels from where we are today.